Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you some eyeliner. This is the matte liquid eyeliner.
So this is a 14-piece set. We're only showing 13 because I can't find the 14th one, but it came with 3 blacks and brown. Hold on, let me make sure. Oh, yeah. Sorry, 2 blacks and 2 browns. And these are all the colors. The one I'm missing is an additional black one. So they're matte, and we're just gonna show what they all look like. So it actually is pretty good quality and dries really fast. So I'm just gonna show it on my hand. So here's the purple. You do have to let it dry though for a second before it becomes matte. Purple. I do like this set because there's a lot of different colors, but I was kind of thrown off that there are 4 pinks but no red. But the pink shades are really nice. So this one came out a little watery, so I'm just gonna go over it again. So that's the light pink. This is the hot pink. This is like a mix. This is a rosy pink, I guess. So they look kind of similar. And this is like a highlighter pink. So this is like the closest I'd say to a red, but it's still pink. I did like the white because it came out really nicely. You can do it thinner. I know I'm making them a little thick, but you can do it thinner if you want, like this. The blue. So I saved my personal favorites for last. I really like the yellow. I haven't gotten a chance to actually wear it out yet, but I enjoy the color and the brightness. And then my total favorite one is the green. I've been wearing this a lot with my outfits just for an extra pop. So and then there's a brown, but I actually have not tried this brown at all yet. Oh wow, that came out really nicely. And personally, I probably won't be using these. Oh, this is the next. This is like a darker brown almost. It did come with 2 blacks, but personally I probably won't be using the blacks just because I like my Sephora black eyeliner. But you know, it just is nice to have for whenever your go-to eyeliner runs out. So yeah, these are the colors. They're still drying. But once they dry, they're actually really hard to remove, which is nice. I think they're waterproof too. Yeah, this is what all the colors look like. This is them on. So yeah, let us know in the comments which color is your favorite. And if you the link will be in the description box below.
Thank you for watching.